This is the face you make when you walk into your garage and you realize that you haven't done anything in there for 3 years, and it's just about as bad as it was when I did it the last time, and you have about 2 weekends worth of work. So yeah, garage clean out. Hey everyone, Sophia here from my great Charlotte, the garage. Okay, two things. There's hashtag goal. There's two goals. Okay, goal number one, I need room to restore the mahogany table that was given to us by family members. So I can't do it the way the garage is right now, and I need to do it inside the garage and outside, and I need to be able to move it, whatnot. Two, once that's done, I'd like to put the new car in the garage, because after all, raise your hand if you are actually using your garage for your car. Most people in this country don't. At least I know that in my town. I'm constantly passing by and everybody's got a garage. Everybody's got their car in the parking, on the blacktop in front of their garage. And then once in a while when you see the door open, it's just about as bad as mine. So we obviously have a problem with regards to using the garage as a storage area. And it's like, whatever you don't want in the house, put in the garage, I'll deal with it later. Well, we're 3 years into it, and it's just there's no words, speechless. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a tour. This is gonna take me several days, so obviously it's gonna be several videos. I'm going to get rid of a lot of stuff, and now in my town every Wednesday they're doing the bulk. It's Monster Day, you remember that? So they're doing the bulk. They're getting rid of everything that you want to get rid of. You put it on your curb and they pick it up on Wednesday. So today's Sunday. There's a lot of things that are going to go on the curb, and it's not going to stop at today. It's probably going to be several days worth of junk. So let me give you a tour so you know what we're looking at. This is a complete garage clean out, reorganization. I don't know what else. Yeah, clean out and reorganization, declutter, I guess. Trying to make it practical and really getting rid of everything I absolutely don't use, will never use, don't want to use, cannot be used. You get the idea, right? So let's look at it. Alright, so this is the right side of the garage when you walk in. There's furniture that needs to go on the curb. Here and there, these are all the patio stuff. Okay, this is the mahogany table. That's the antique I was telling you about that needs to be restored. Bike, horse, bunch of air conditioning, more patio chairs. I don't know. I don't know. Some suitcases, stuff that needs to go. All of this here needs to be reorganized. This is the other side of the garage. I have the snowblower, lawnmower, basket. That's the freezer. Bunch of stuff, more stuff, more stuff, wood, lots of wood. The tiller is there. I don't know what that is, still don't know what that is. And then all of this garbage, all of this needs to be reorganized, purge, you name it. And that a shame. I had this entire garage cleaned out 3 or 4 years ago, probably the first year I did the channel, and this is what happened after a couple of years. So I'm gonna get motivated, and you're gonna get motivated, and you're gonna go to your garage after this video and start cleaning out too, okay? Because that's the goal of those videos, is to get everybody motivated to do stuff. No task is too big. I know it looks like a colossal amount of work, but trust me when I tell you no task is too big, you can do it. I'm going to start with that side over there, and where there's the furniture and stuff, and that's gonna go straight to the curb. So I'm throwing out those two long tall blue planters, the ones with the bamboo design on the side. I'm putting them on the sidewalk, on the curb, and no less than 10 minutes later, some lady comes over and is asking me if she can take them. So yeah, there you go. One person's trash is somebody else's treasure. And there's a lot of former trash to treasure, back to trash in this garage. This is where I'm at so far. So I got all of the chairs out. They're gonna go on the patio. All of the furniture that was here is out on the curb. My table is here. I'm gonna pull it out and bring it over here so it's out of the way. And I'm gonna start tackling this area here. Let me see if you can see it better this way. Yeah, I'm gonna tackle one area at a time. Okay, so today I'm gonna do this area here and this whole wall right there is what I'm doing, and then we'll move on to another area later on. This thing here, that's a coat rack thing, and you know what, I don't use it in the house, but I'm pretty sure I can find some use here. For instance, I could put it on the beams right here, and I could use it to hang all of the shovels, you know, the snow shovels. So instead of having them constantly fall on the ground and be in the way, I'm hoping I have enough space from that hole to that hole to go into the beams. Let's see. I think I look a mess. I don't have my glasses, I can see myself. Part one is done. I am all flushed. I sweated, guys. I really did. I got rid of a lot of stuff. I'm going to show you when we go up front. But anyway, I did the entire side I said I was going to do. So let me show you what it looks like now. Okay, so when you come in, this is the side that I said I was going to do, and I did. So I have an assortment of snow shovel, the large extension cord, the very long one. I'm putting it here because that way when you need it from the house, you just open the garage door, grab it, and you go. You don't have to search. Okay, we have pieces of pipes here, of garden hose. I keep them for the purpose of draining the water tank in the house. Okay, I was just looking for one of those. It's right there. Okay, never mind. I'm tired, guys. Okay, it was a lot of work. Look at all the water that's seeping through my concrete. That's from the source that's underneath the house. It's pretty bad. And I'm glad I have a French drain or pump in the basement because that thing is overloaded. All right, so I have all the horses up so that way they don't take space on the ground. This is all clean. This is surf fishing equipment. I put a little string here that's easily removable to hold it so that it doesn't fall. We got more stuff here. Table, folding table. I'm gonna put the other ladder here so that way it's easy to grab. But pretty much, yeah, this entire side here is done. There's not a lot left on this side, but I'm gonna do that area here and over there in the next video. Because otherwise the video is gonna be like 5 hours long. I mean, let's face it, it's a lot. So let me show you how much I got rid of. Let's go up front. So here we go. That's everything I'm getting rid of. And that's just one side of the garage. So it's a lot of work, but I gotta tell you, you have to be ruthless. Like, get rid of stuff. Really, if you haven't used it, don't plan on using it. It's broken, it's ugly, you don't like it, get rid of it. I got rid of a lot of stuff, you saw that. And it's just like one side of the garage. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So imagine the amount of crap I'm gonna get out of here. I'm really flushed. That's hot, guys, hot. Anyway, so that's it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it and look forward to part 2. And I will see you later. I'm going to take a break, have a cup of coffee, finish my big large glass of water, and then I'll tackle this area behind me and the corner right here. So I'll see you, for me it's going to be in a few seconds, for you in a couple of days. Thank you for watching, you guys. Bye!